A year ago was a decent one for British extravagance and games auto producer Aston Martin. The brand declared on Thursday that 2017 denoted the most astounding number of autos conveyed since 2008 with 5,117 vehicles sold. Retail deals additionally expanded 58% year-over-year. Aston Martin indicated the DB11 and uncommon undertakings. For example, the Vanquish Zagato and Vantage GT8 as deal sponsors amid 2017. It was the first run through the brand topped 5,000 deals in 9 years, and North America, China, and the UK drove the rising interest. The brand likewise anticipated its EBITDA, profit before intrigue, expense, devaluation, and amortization, will outperform $244 million on more than $1 billion in income. Andy Palmer, Aston Martin CEO, pronounced the brand's future vision and forceful new item course of events have put the organization on a track toward progress. Aston Martin will report full monetary year income in March. The objective is to turn a benefit, something that has demonstrated subtle for the organization every through its 100 or more year history. Palmer said the solid deal's execution is confirmed that the second-century design keeps on building force at Aston Martin. The vision will see the brand dispatch another auto consistently through 2022. A significant number of the inbound autos, and the DBX SUV, will depend on charged with the definitive objective of completely electric autos. Stage 2 of the program will be to a great extent finished in 2018 with the presentation of the Vanquish substitution and creation of the new Vantage, adding to proceeded with supportable productivity at Aston Martin, he said. Discussing the new Vantage generation will get in progress with an extremely solid begin. Last November, Aston Martin told media that purchasers have just gobbled up 80% of the 2019 Vantage's first creation assignment. In spite of the fact that the auto is about sold out, or possibly is at this point, its vague what number of 2019 Vantages will be delivered in its first year. The brand is likewise growing its assembling impression. The DBX will be worked in another plant in Street, Athens, Wales, that is expected to be open in 2019, while a constrained keep running of 25 DB4 GT continuation models are being worked at the Newport Pagnell office, which hasn't been utilized for assembling since 2007.